Welcome to Batangas. MV Dulos Hope now is getting closer to Manila Pier now, to Batangas City Pier now, all the way from Manila yesterday night, and they arrived here yesterday night also, and this is the welcome team of Batangas City Pier, the students as well as the people from the Coast Guard. They're getting closer now. Yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, yes, Lord. Amen. Noah! This is one of the Christian school here in Batangas. Yeah. Them down to the joy of the Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Amen. Welcome. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Amen. Hi, Brother Jake. Hello, welcome to Batangas. Welcome to Dulos Hope. The joy of the Lord. The Dulos is coming closer now here in Batangas City. Yeah. It's getting closer now. Hi, Pastor Brother Jake.
MV Dulos Hope.
Yeah. Are you okay, Brother Jake? Yeah. I'm going to put this in the. I'm going to vlog this afternoon in the YouTube. Manghihiram ako ng isang plug pa doon. Sir, pwede pahiram ng isang plug? Okay, thank you. So,
Ano ba vlog to?
hindi ko nga alam.
British.